All right, guys, we're here in Buena Park today with my man Carlos, the guy that's making it all happen. He's in charge of this entire project. How long have you been here now? How many days?
I've been here about 3 days already with today.
3 days?
Yeah.
And how many yards are we laying down?
So far, it's 20 yards down. So we short 5 yards. So 5 yards are on the way down here. So but that covers the driveway.
Yep.
And also the garage floor as well.
All right, perfect. So we're waiting on another truck to come through?
Another 5 yards. They're
Another 5
coming down
yards,
here.
and that'll finish this out right here?
Finish it up the driveway.
All right, perfect. Yeah, so the slab was all jacked up, and he ripped it all out. It was about a 1-day demo with the Bobcat, a few guys. So this is our first week, and we should be done here. So we'll show you guys another clip once it's completely finished, floated, and you can see some of Carlos' work, man. This guy's amazing. So stay tuned so you can see what it looks like when it's all done.
Thank you, boss.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.